if your favorite game is 99 Nights in the Forest, you better don't do this. If you met a girl called that, don't. If you even accept the friend request, run. Leave and run. Might be just a skinwalker. And if you accept it, don't accept it ever. If that is not in your house, which is the worst curses in 99 Nights in the Forest, unfriend him and never ever friend him again. If you friend him, you need to run. If you friended him again, you need to run. So I hope you guys don't meet that girl on 99 Nights in the Forest, because it's the worst thing you've ever done in your life if you friend him. So unfriend him if you friend him. Unfriend him right now. So I hope you guys don't meet that girl in 99 Nights in the Forest. So yep, that's all.